Hello everyone, and for today's first project we'll be making 3 candlesticks. We'll be using these 3 turquoise candle holders or glasses that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'll also be using these 3 crystal candlesticks, a rare find these days at Dollar Tree. I have a set of 6 shot glasses, and I've had these for a while, and I got them from Burlington's a few months ago. And this is what they look like. Very pretty. So we'll be using these on today. I'll be using my E6000 glue, a couple of Gorilla Glue sticks. I have my hot glue gun. I also have some scissors. I have some turquoise bling. I also got this from Dollar Tree. And I picked up a starburst design. Now we'll be using some of these designs. They're self-adhesive as well. And we'll be using some of those on today. So these are the items we'll be using for our first project. So let's not waste any time. Let's get started. So I'm going to remove all the stickers from the bottom of the glasses or candle holders. Once I've removed all the tags from my candlesticks and my shot glasses, I'm going to clean the bottom and prepare them to be glued together. Now I'm just trying to decide how I want to glue the glass to the candle holder. I think I'll glue the bottom to the candle holder using my E6000. I'm only gluing the shot glass to 2 of the candle holders. For my third candle holder, I'll glue the turquoise glass directly to the top of the candle holder. Okay guys, I'm back, but I don't know what happened to my camera, why it's showing like this. I don't know if it fell over or what, but I'm just going to explain to you what I'm doing. So what I did was cut strips of my bling into 2 rows, and I glued it around the bottom of my glass. I also took bling, measured it, and put it around the neck of the shot glass to add some turquoise. So I wanted turquoise to be at the bottom of the glass on the clear so that it would have balance in color. Okay guys, I finally got my camera together. Now you can see what I did. I added the bling wrap around the bottom of the candle holder. I also cut and added bling wrap around the neck or the top part of the shot glass. And now I'm about to take my pieces of my starburst here. Now that you can see it's turquoise and clear, and I'm going to use the turquoise pieces. It's looks like a teardrop with a circle underneath, and I'm going to put that on the bottom of the candle holder. I have teardrops added to all of my candle holders, and now I'm ready to embellish a little further. To make it look like a set, I am going to add another row of bling just under the lowest part of the candle, and I also want to do that on the shorter candle so it will have some bling wrap as well. I decided to embellish the top of my candles. I have some silver glitter resin. I'm pouring it out on a sheet. I'm going to take my glue gun and go around the top part of my candle. I'll rub the candle holder in the resin to make it adhere to the round part of my candle holder. And I'll do this on all 3 of my candle holders. I'm not sure if I explained that correctly, but you see what I'm doing as we continue. I'm done with all 3 of my candles, and now we are ready to move on to the next project. For this project, I'm taking 4 pieces of cut poster board 6 by 9 inches, and I'm using my Elmer's school glue, and I will be gluing all 4 poster boards together. Next, I'm going to take my E6000 along with 8 wooden tower blocks. I'll be gluing 2 of the blocks together using the E6000. My poster boards have dried, and now I'm going to take a piece of 6 by 9 plexiglass mirror and glue it to the top. To go around the top side of the plexiglass mirror, I want to try something a little different. So what I'm doing is taking my gemstones. You can find these at Dollar Tree. I'm taking a combination of clear and turquoise, and I'm gluing them together. I'm gluing them just at the tip. So I'm using a bead of glue on the tip, and I'm gluing the next tip to it. I'm holding it until it's secure or until it dries. When you've glued them together, it should look kind of like a wheel or a spool. Then what I'm going to do is arrange those wheels on top of the plexiglass. So I'll pull away the plastic wrap on the plexiglass mirror top, and I'll glue the wheels to the top. And if you take notice, I'm making now the flat edges touch as I glue them down. You may also notice that I'm leaving the protective cover on top of my plexiglass mirror. I'm doing this so that I don't get glue all over the mirror. I'm also using just a small bead of glue to ensure that there's not a lot of glue left on top of my plexiglass. Once I've added my jewel wheels to all 4 sides of my rectangle, I'm ready to move on to my next step. Once again, my camera is doing something funky. I don't know what it is, but you can at least get an idea of what I've done. Now I'm ready to take a little bit more of my gem wrap. I'm going to cover all 4 sides of the rectangle with jewel wrap to cover the poster board. Now we're ready to give our tray some height. I'm going to take the tower blocks that I glued together. I've also painted them in silver. I'm going to use my E6000 and glue them to the bottom of the tray. Once we're done, we'll set it aside for an hour, and then we'll come back, take the film off the front, and be ready for the reveal. And here is my project completed. Absolutely stunning. The mixture of the turquoise and the clear gemstones are just beautiful on the tray. And again, I tried something just a little bit different for the tray. I was tired of seeing the crystals all the same. So this makes it just a little bit different. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to push that notification bell so you'll be aware of all my upcoming videos. I want to say thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.